In this video, we are going to connect our business bank account to Xero and set up the automatic bank feed. A bank feed brings your bank transactions into Xero automatically, so once it's up and running, you generally don't need to import bank statements manually anymore. In Ben's painting Xero file, after we set up the online payments for our invoices, the corresponding bank account appeared here on the home screen, so I've added to the dashboard with a click. If you have a business bank account that hasn't been added to Xero yet, you just choose Add Bank Account, search for your bank, and follow the prompts from there. Now, the next step is to connect the automatic live bank feed. You can start this process directly from the bank widget on the home screen, or you can go to Accounting menu and then Bank Accounts. But in our case, the bank account already exists because it was created when we set up Stripe. The problem is that we don't currently have the option to connect a bank feed, so first let's fix it up. As soon as I select the bank feed option becomes available. Let's also fix the BSB and account number. They must be also accurate, otherwise the bank feed won't work. As you can see, this Get Bank Feeds button appeared here. Click on that to start the connection. From this point onwards, the exact process can look a little bit different depending on your bank and on your country, so follow the instructions shown on your screen carefully. As I'm connecting a real bank account here, I blurred out the sensitive information. As you can see, for CBA, the process is rather straightforward. Once I log in, the eligible bank accounts appear on the screen. I select the bank account I want to connect into Xero, accept the terms, and we are done. We've taken back to Xero. The final step is to match the bank account in Xero to the correct bank feed. If several eligible bank accounts appear here on the screen, like they do for me, simply choose Don't Connect for any accounts you don't want linked to this Xero file. And that's basically it. The process can be slightly different with other banks, and depending on the bank, there may be some additional steps involved, or even you may need to submit a signed form. Always follow the instructions on your screen. When you finish the connection, the transactions won't appear immediately in your Xero file. Bank feeds can take some time to activate, so it could take a couple of days for the first transactions to come through. If nothing appears after, let's say, a week or so, you may need to contact your bank or Xero support to work out where the connection has failed. For us, though, the bank account is now connected. From here, new banking transactions will start flowing into Xero, and in the next part of the process, we can use those transactions to reconcile the bank account. This was deliberately a quick walkthrough. If you're having trouble connecting your bank account to Xero, please let me know in the comment section below. And as usual, if you like this video, please share it with someone who might like it as well. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.